close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Hey channel, once again welcome back to my camera. Today another one mountain is going to unboxing. So this place is situated only 2 kilometers from my location, and now our journey is almost begun. So let's go. And this is our metro BMW station. Our BMW is coming. This is brand new latest version wala guys, and you can watch he's very closer to us. This is only special edition wala coming from Dubai. Green color 3-wheeler 3-seater, not 3-seater. Many people sit in front seat also. Look, this is all new branded guys. Here lot of traffic jam happening. So our BMW is very extra large na, so he cannot coming to front. So he left us, and now we are going by on our foot. And so go. You can see that in that region brightness is very high. I mean there is sunshine happening, but here no sunshine. Here is sunset happening guys. So this is called magic by nature. Now we are on our final destination. This is the left hand side is Tagore Hill. So we have to go there. तो गाइस अभी हम यहाँ पे कुछ कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स ले रहे हैं. हाँ, आसमान तक चलना पड़ेगा ना, इसलिए थोड़ा गला सूख जाएगा, इसलिए थोड़ा ले रहे हैं. Look, this is the mountain Everest there. In day after yesterday video I unboxing the Everest. This is that was the stepson, but this was the stepdaughter. एक दो. Now guys, this is your local beer. We are very light na. After eating this, we are high happen in high mountain, and this is our Takana happen lemon juice. So let's go. And today I am happen. Mane what? I am not cameraman. I have now one crew member, which one is cameraman, and I am microman, and he is the cameraman. Cheers guys. And this is the check gate. See there man, cameraman, see there. This is the check gate happen, and this is RC 390 Chapri bike. Nibba nibbi you pura fail happen if you have this kind of bike. So let's go guys. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी के साथ. And this is also blogger happen guys. He wants to blogger but not happen. Unfortunately under his parents pressure he became engineering now, not a blogger. That mountain is very high na, almost closer above the atmosphere. So our oxygen level have to decrease. So now we have to bought some energy drinker, so it can supply us oxygen, CO2, everything. So guys, this is not the real stepdaughter of Mount Everest. This name is Tagore Hill in social media, but his nickname is stepdaughter of what? Everest. और one person is thirsty happen, thirsty cow happen. अभी ये जो देख रहे हैं, अभी ये साल सेनो जो है 11 का, ये जो है डाइनिंग टेबल है. वहाँ पे लोग चिकन लेग पीस, कुरकुरे, व्हाट ईटिंग है like this and eating here like this, and it's a celebrate happen here also. Come here, come. इधर Look up. This is the one type of Great Wall of China also happen. If enemy are come down na, and here arrow are here archery are present here, and their enemy then gach maring here archery, and they are knockdown happens there. तो गाइज यहाँ पे चारों तरफ पेड़ पौधे ही, नो नॉइज पोल्यूशन, एयर पोल्यूशन। यहाँ पे हम जो CO2 रिलीज कर रहे हैं ना, वो विदिन 1 मिनट प्यूरीफाई होके ऑक्सीजन दे रहा है हमको। तो पेड़ पढ़ाओ, पेड़ बचाओ गाइज। नाउ यू आर शोइंग द दीवाल ऑफ लाइमस्टोन। इट इज प्रेजेंट, इट्स डेट ऑफ बर्थ इज व्हेन शिवाजी महाराजा वाज प्रेजेंट ना। इट इज बर्निंग हैपनिंग दिस वॉल एंड दिस हाउस. So it has very old age and it has very much power than the Ambuja cement also, because no mixing, no chemical happening, only natural. गाइस यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है, दीवारों पर लिखे। तो ये अभी ऑनलाइन क्लास में यहाँ पे पढ़ाई हो सकता है। अपना ब्लैक कलर का चौक लेके आइए और यहाँ पर लिखिए। गाइस आफ्टर क्लाइंबिंग 69 सीढ़ीज my battery is low happen. I am drinking less feeling. Water level is धीरे decreasing in my body. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, everything decreasing.
That's why we are eating lollipop.
Eating lollipop, choosing lollipop. What blowjob, what doing? This is the fort. तानाजी का फिल्म इधर ही शूटिंग हुआ था। अरे रा सुनाई देगा अभी ट्यूनिंग। ज्यादा हम गा नहीं सकते, नहीं तो कॉपीराइट आ जाएगा, फिर लोचा हो जाएगा। एंड चट्टानों के किनारे ना जाए। दिस इज इन हिंदी लिपि। ही इज सेइंग दैट डोंट गो नियर टू द रॉक्स, अदरवाइज फॉलोइंग डाउन हैपनिंग, एक्सीडेंट, ब्रेकिंग, एवरीथिंग हैपनिंग इन योर बॉडी। तो गाइस धीरे अभी मेरा ऑक्सीजन लेवल डिक्रीज हो रहा है। लगता है कोरोना हो गया हमको। लुक द व्यू गाइस, iPhone 13, Note 8 Pro, 11 Pro, ultra wide view, 4K view, flooded with trees, buildings, lot of oxygen, eating oxygen, sunlight and handsome happening guys here. No need to go beauty parlor.